to meet all the universities and probably mostly the sidebar and talking to see, wow, you know, we're all struggling at different levels and we all have different challenges and we all have different goals.
This is about a bunch of colleagues trying to figure our way through some really challenging work.
It stimulates our thinking, and at the same time we have some things to offer those campuses that have managed to make these large-scale investments more on the academic or community involvement side.
And in higher education, tackling this problem is possible, and with collaboration and creative thinking and problem solving, that we can make a difference, that this problem isn't too big.
Sustainability is a wide array. It's not just climate change. So there's definitely, you know, there's curriculum to tackle, there's social aspect of sustainability to tackle. So there's not a lack of work that needs to be done.
So for a variety of reasons, at every level, strategic, national, campus, community, and educational, sustainability makes real good sense for us as an institution.
I think one of the big challenges is the ability to quantify some of the aspects of sustainability. When they took their ideas to the presidents, their CFOs, the boards, oftentimes they hit this barrier, the pushback on how do you make it cost effective.
Because of the distance, the physical distance between where we work and where we live, you know, biking and or walking is really kind of out of the question. So we're really wrestling with this whole transportation piece, which, like I said, is more than 2/3 of our carbon footprint.
How do we stop burning fossil fuel? In an urban location, biomass isn't an option for us.
We've had some great conversations around financing. That's, for us, the key barrier. We're a very small school, about 550 students, tuition driven. We have an environmental mission, we have a board that supports that, we have a president that's very involved and very supportive. We're signatories of the President's climate commitment, so there's all those pieces in place. The big piece we don't have is money.
So we've reduced our footprint by 15%, and now we have a plan for how to cut our footprint in half. And the next piece is a wind energy piece, where we'll produce about 1/3 of the electricity that we consume in a year. The other piece is a biomass combustion facility that'll do anywhere from 60 to 100% of our heat load.
We spent most of our time talking about using private partnerships to gain investors coming from the for-profit world who can take the benefits of tax credits.
We have a clean energy fund that was voted in that students supported and the Board of Trustees approved, $10 a semester fee. It's generating $200,000 a year into an account that will be used to support renewable energy projects.
Students are necessary to make any sustainability movement possible on campuses because they're the ones who will do the work. They're committed. Like myself, I want to do this for the rest of my life. I'm going to put forth the effort and make things happen.
By being here at this conference, we've actually had the ability to go through sort of an evolutionary process where the project that we came with is not the project that we're leaving with.
Campuses, to me, are a microcosm of our larger communities, and students who are coming out of universities are our future. So it's really an exciting opportunity to really shape and form what our future is going to look like.
With collaboration and creative thinking and problem solving, we can show everybody that, you know, by working together, this is something that we can surmount as a planet. So it's been fantastic.